what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of keep it where it's at. And I'm gonna try to kind of let it go back in before I better. After you get a ball fade, you keep your C's though or no?
What you mean?
You keep your C cup right here?
Nah,
yeah. Keep it like a leg.
Yeah. Cooking, that's funny as shit.
I can cook. I'm not that bad for it. Like I said, boy, but I'm not. I like things. So. Like my mentality, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I don't like it, but I just don't like waiting for food. Like I'm hungry, I wanna eat now. Explain my last 2 years. It took me some time, but my last 2 years probably been the best 2 years. If I could just keep pushing that to the side.
Playing
like
with the gift.
Yeah, you playing with it.
Yeah.
Like, and I've seen a lot of things recently, just like gifts. That's what I had to realize. Enjoy that. Enjoy who you really are. Like sometimes take the mask off. out there. No. It ain't easy to get in there. You know what I'm saying? Or just like that's why I stopped looking at it like how I did. Like, oh damn, bro, you always got a fit. I went. There was at a point in time I had a no complaints y'all, no bitching y'all, no. Shout out to Rat Man.
Yo, check me out, yo. It's Juice Elliott. Check me out on all streaming platforms. We're around.
You're winning. About to give him a nice shape up there. Got a little bit of grow back in the front, so we're gonna kind of try to keep it natural here without pushing it down, pushing it back too much.
Sure.
You see that? First snap, a little bit of enhancement, no razor yet, just all clippers. Gonna lean back, you're gonna see the finish. Results of this.
Pounds a week, and I know you smell it. It's excited, we get pants for cheap. Fuck, I look like letting them put they tax on me, they mad at me.